What if I told you there's a place where the soul is fed through communal work? Where people help one another and take care of the earth. Welcome to Kaipātiki Project, where we gather to grow, not just plants, but purpose.
Since 1998, we've been growing a sustainable future for people and nature by empowering communities, restoring native bush, and inspiring connection with the whenua.
In our thriving native plant nursery, volunteers pot and repot seedlings, gently pull weeds while sharing stories, and care for thousands of eco-sourced plants destined to restore our ngahere.
In the teaching garden, we sow seeds of change. Volunteers dig into compost, take care of our beautiful communal garden, and harvest fresh vegetables, learning and laughing together as they go.
Yeah, that's great. That's perfect.
Learn some DIY and fix something. Or one of my favorite activities, setting up the mulch paths. There's something so satisfying about working with the earth.
We honour tradition through harakeke harvesting, weaving sustainability and culture into every fibre of our work. And during every session we gather for morning tea, homemade baking and our plant of the day, a moment to connect, reflect and celebrate nature and each other. Join us, learn, connect and contribute to a greener future. Kaipātiki Project, where volunteering grows more than just plants.